A Russian Su-30SM multi-role fighter jet was reportedly destroyed by fire on April 24, 2025, at the Central Airbase in Rostov-on-Don, Russia. Ukraine's main intelligence directorate of the Ministry of Defense claimed the incident was an act of sabotage. They attribute it to an unspecified resistance movement within Russia, suggesting growing opposition to the Kremlin and Putinism. The aircraft was identified as a Su-30SM with tail number 35 and is valued at approximately $50 million. The jet was reportedly used in air bomb strikes against Ukraine. Ukrainian intelligence released a video on Telegram allegedly showing the jet burning. Satellite imagery from Sentinel, cited by user at Cromark on X, reportedly shows a fresh burn mark at the airbase consistent with the event. The Russian Ministry of Defense has not officially confirmed or denied the incident as of the reports. Some Russian sources suggested the aircraft involved might have been an older Su-27 model, rather than the more advanced Su-30SM. The Rostov-on-Don airbase is a critical hub for Russian air operations due to its proximity to the Ukrainian border. GUR Chief Kirilo Budanov commented on the loss of the expensive fighter. The agency stated that the scale of forces ready to resist the Kremlin and carry out such acts of demilitarization is growing, and promised retribution for war crimes against Ukraine. Ukrainian intelligence claimed the successful destruction of another Su-30 fighter jet in Russia's Krasnodar Krai in mid-December 2024. KUR reported shooting down a Russian Su-30SM over the Black Sea using a MANPADS in September 2024. A Russian radar station near Rozdolny in occupied Crimea was also reported destroyed around the same period. The Su-30SM is a two-seat twin-engine 4+ generation multi-role fighter jet introduced in 2012. It is equipped with advanced avionics, radar, thrust vectoring engines and weapon systems, capable of carrying up to 8,000 kilograms of weapons, including guided missiles and bombs, and has a 30mm GSH-31 autocannon and electronic warfare pods. Russia reportedly has around 130 Su-30SM fighters, with some belonging to the 43rd Separate Naval Aviation Regiment based at Saki Airfield in occupied Crimea. The event raises questions about the security of Russia's military air bases and potential vulnerabilities to asymmetric tactics like sabotage. Ukrainian intelligence frames this as a significant act of resistance, potentially indicating growing internal dissent within Russia. Such incidents, if attributed to resistance, could impact Russian morale and project an image of vulnerability. The differing accounts and lack of official Russian confirmation highlight ongoing information warfare and the challenges in verifying claims. The loss of an advanced aircraft like the Su-30SM represents a tangible loss for Russian air capabilities.